Good evening, class. In the last lecture, we are completed Unit 1. Now, this lecture we have started second unit, that is trigonometry. In that unit, measure the angle means हमको इस यूनिट में एंगल को मेजर करना है. कैसे मेजर करना है वो हमको स्टडी करना है. Now let's start the second unit. Angle and its measurement system. Angle. An angle is defined as a union of two collinear rays having one common end point. एंगल कैसे डिनोट करेगा कि टू यूनियन कोलिनियर रेज हैविंग वन कॉमन पॉइंट मीन दिस. सो ओ मेक अ एंगल O to A first ray and second ray is O to B is a second ray. An angle moves to A to B. Angle move कर रहा है A to B means this is a first ray. OA is a first ray and angle कैसे बना रहा है यहाँ से यहाँ तक मतलब A to B. So here first ray is a OA. OA is the first ray, so we can call initial arm. OA is the initial arm and second ray OB is the terminal arm. So we can denote here arrow means from A to B in this way. Make it angle AOB. O की इधर एंगल बना रहा है इसलिए हमको इसको कैसे कॉल करेंगे AOB. एंगल AOB because A to B. So this is the initial arm and this is terminal arm. Let OA means this OA rotate around O and reach a position BO means reach position BO. Then angle AOB means same here angle AO and B is found. The initial position is known as the initial arm and final position known as the terminal arm. Means this is the initial position, so this position called as initial arm and this is final position, so called as terminal arm. This is the initial and this is the terminal. Ratio of ray take place in a anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction. So angle take a anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction both. Clockwise direction take a positive and anti-clockwise direction take a positive sign and clockwise direction get a negative sign. So this is the anti-clockwise. क्लॉक कैसे घूमता है ऐसे घूमता है मीन्स ऐसे ऐसे. सो दिस इज क्लॉकवाइज एंड दिस इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सो OA इज द इनिशियल आर्म एंड OB इज द टर्मिनल आर्म. हियर एंगल मेंशन किया है कि कौन से वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है या क्लॉकवाइज है. तो दिस इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. So AOB is equal to positive means AOB positive है because this is a anti-clockwise direction. In this they are clockwise direction, so AOB is a negative. This OA is a initial and OB is a terminal because of here mention angle A to B. So this is clockwise, so get AOB is a negative and here anti-clockwise, so get positive. Any angle with initial arm along positive direction of a x-axis and vertex at origin is called as standard angle or angle is standard position. Means angle with initial arm along positive direction to x-axis and वर्टेक्स एट ओरिजिन मीन्स उसका वर्टेक्स ओरिजिन पे होगा, उसको हम स्टैंडर्ड एंगल और एंगल इज स्टैंडर्ड पोजीशन उसको हम कहेंगे. नो मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल, वी मेजर एंगल टू टाइप, डिग्री एंड रेडियन. So first is also called as a English system, Emilian system. So first we take a measure angle with degree. हम अभी डिग्री में एंगल. Now in this system a unit of a measurement is a degree, which is 1 upon 360, part of one complete rotation and denoted by 1 degree. Means 1 degree. Degree denoted by 1 raised to 0 means 1 degree. Because of one rotation, total one rotation take 360 degree. So denoted by 1 degree means 1 raised to 0 means 1 degree. Here 1 degree is divided into 16 equal parts called as a minute. 1 degree divided by equal 16 parts, इस पार्ट को हम मिनट कहेंगे. मीन्स 60 इक्वल पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज मिनट एंड डिनोटेड बाय 1 डैश मीन्स 1 डैश. 1 डैश मीन्स उसको मिनट को हम डैश से डोनेट कर रहे हैं, डोनेटेड बाय 1 डैश. And 1 minute is divided into 16 seconds. 16 seconds is called as second denoted by 1 double dash. Means हम 1 मिनट को 60 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे, मीन्स पार्ट में लेंगे, उसको हम सेकेंड कहेंगे. मीन्स डिग्री को मिनट में एंड मिनट को सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो 1 डिग्री इज 16 मिनट्स एंड 1 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 16 सेकेंड. तो सेकेंड को हम 1 डबल डैश से डिनोट करेंगे. 1 सेकेंड आई रिपीट, 1 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय 16 इक्वल पार्ट, सो इज कॉल्ड एज 1 मिनट. Means it's called as minute denoted by 1 dash, and minute is divided into 16 equal parts called as second and denoted by double dash means 1 double dash. One complete rotation is 360 degree. We know that one complete rotation, that is a 160. Now 1 degree, 1 of degree is equal to 1 of degree 60 minute denoted by 60 dash. This is the minute, and 1 minute 1 dash is equal to 60 seconds, so 60 double dash, this is a second. Now we convert degree to minute and minute to second. So double dash called as second, 1 dash is a minute and 0 raised to means that is a degree. Now we measure of angle in a radiant circular measure system. In this system, unit called radiant has been defined for angle measurement. Consider a circle with center O and radius R. R is greater than 0. Consider circle is O. This is the center of O. And radius r, this is the radius r greater than 0, 0 से बड़ा है. Let be a point on a circumference. This is a point, take a on a circumference obtained by radiation and by a rotation arms. Means obtain a rotation initial arm OA is a anti-clockwise direction, means this way anti-clockwise direction. Here O is the center and R is the radius of a circle and this is in a anti-clockwise direction, and P be a point circumference on a circle obtained by rotation initial arm OA, this initial arm to B by in a anti-clockwise direction, means theta is equal to plus sign, because we get here anti-clockwise direction. If the length of an arc is equal to the radius of the circle, then the angle subtended by the arc at the center is called 1 radian, denoted by 1 raised to c, means 1 radian denoted by 1 raised to means c denoted by radian. If we denote the arc length by s and angle at the center by theta, then s is equal to r theta, means angle theta, so s is equal to r theta. By theorem, if in a circle of a radius r, an arc of a length s subtended an angle theta measured in a radian at the center, so s is equal to r theta. So here given theta is equal to 1 radian, theta is equal to 1 radian, so r is equal to s, then theta is equal to 1 radian. Here put the value of theta, so s is equal to r. Now relation between degree and radian, this is both are measure to angle, हम एंगल को मेजर करने के लिए डिग्री एंड रेडियन का यूज करते हैं. तो अब इसका रिलेशन देखेंगे, रिलेशन बिटवीन डिग्री एंड रेडियंट. We know that if in a circle of a radius r and for arc length s subtended an angle theta at the center, then s is equal to ar, giving equation number 1. We know that s is equal to r theta. Some circumference arc length of the circle of radius r is 2 pi r. Here दिख नहीं रहा है, 2 pi r is a 2 pi r. Now s is equal to means circumference of a circle of radius is 2 pi r, means s is equal to 2 pi r. Put in equation number this one, so s is equal to 2 pi r, so 2 pi r is equal to r theta. 2 pi r is equal to r theta, so r radius get cancelled, theta is equal to 2 pi. So this is given in रेडियंट, क्योंकि हमने इधर रेडियंट का फॉर्मूला यूज किया है, सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई रेडियन. वन कंप्लीट रोटेशन इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई, कंप्लीट रोटेशन इज अ 2 पाई रेडियन. वी नो दैट वन कंप्लीट रोटेशन इज इक्वल टू 360. हमको पता है कि कंप्लीट वन रोटेशन कंप्लीट होता है तब 360 डिग्री हमको एंगल देता है. सो दिस इज इन अ रेडियन फॉर्म एंड दिस इन अ डिग्री फॉर्म. सो 2 पाई इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. सो हियर 2 divided by 360, so we get 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Now we take here radian, so pi multiplied by 1 radian is equal to 180. Then pi here multiply, goes that side, divided. So 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree, because here 180 degree, so 180 divided by pi is a degree. Now or means same, here we take 1 radian, so now here we take 1 degree. Now pi radian is equal to 180 multiplied by 1 degree, so 180 here multiply on that side, so they divided. So pi divided by 180 radian because of pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 1 radian. हमको ये वैल्यू दोनों ध्यान में रखनी है बिकॉज ऑफ सॉल्विंग सम प्रॉब्लम्स. ये दो छोटी बातें हैं पर बहुत काम आएगी जब हम सम सॉल्व करेंगे तब. नोट 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radiant and 1 radiant is equal to 180 divided by pi degree. Plus theta is the angle measured in a anti-clockwise direction and minus theta angle measured in a clockwise direction. पता है कि जब एंगल थीटा होगा तो वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में हम मेजर करेंगे एंड माइनस होगा तो हम क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में उसको मेजर करेंगे. नाउ सम कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग एंगल इनटू डिग्री. दिस इज इन अ रेडियन फॉर्म, वी कन्वर्ट इनटू अ डिग्री. नाउ गिवन दैट -2 pi radian divided by 5, so -2 pi, this is a pi, we call as a, that is a pi, multiply by 1 radian. So we know that 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree. 180 divided by pi degree. So here pi get cancelled and 5 divided by 180 gives 36, minus 2 multiplied by 36 degree is equal to minus 72 degree. So here minus 72 means here minus, so that angle is a anti-clockwise direction. We measure this angle is anti-clockwise direction. So this in a radian form we convert into a degree. minus 72 degree. Now convert the following angle into a radian. So अभी हमको angle is in a degree form, convert into a radian form. So we know that 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radian. This 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radian. We know that 54 degree means 54 multiplied by 1 degree, 54 multiplied by pi divided by 180 radian. So here get cancelled, so 3 by 10 pi radian. 54 degree is equal to 3 pi divided by 10 radian. We convert degree into a radian. Now trigonometric ratio of an angle. This is also very important. Solving sums. Consider a right angle triangle, means 90 degree triangle, means ऐसा रहेगा वो 90. right angle triangle means this type. Right angle triangle ABC with B is a 90 degree, then BC A is equal to theta, acute एंगल. हमको थीटा किधर लेना है, बी सी ए मीन्स सी की जगह हमको थीटा लेना है. वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा इज ऑन सी. तो ए बी एंड सी. बी इज अ, वी टेक बी इज अ 90 डिग्री एंड एंगल, एक्यूट एंगल एट सी. So we take theta is here C. C is the angle. Now sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, sec and cosec are here we to find all of things. So also these we called as sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Now to find the value of this, sine of theta is equal to opposite sine upon hypotenuse. How we get, हमको ये एंगल दिया है C थीटा. सो ऑपोजिट साइड मीन्स थीटा की ऑपोजिट साइड ये है ए बी, मीन्स ए बी डिवाइडेड बाय हाइपोटेन्यूस. हाइपोटेन्यूस मीन्स ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ 90 डिग्री। जो रेक्टेंगल की अपोजिट साइड है वो ऑलवेज हाइपोटेनियस रहती है। मीन्स हाइपोटेनियस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, 90 डिग्री की सामने वाली साइड मीन्स हाइपोटेनियस। दिस इज अ हाइपोटेनियस। Opposite upon hypotenuse means AB divided by hypotenuse AC. So sin theta is equal to AB divided by AC. Opposite upon hypotenuse. And cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse. So here theta adjacent means जो साइड है, मतलब कौन सा साइड, इनिशियल टर्म, जो इनिशियल आर्म है मीन्स CB is the initial and this is the terminal. So this is initial arm, we call as adjacent side. Adjacent means BC divided by AC. AC is the hypotenuse. हमको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि साइन थीटा के लिए ऑपोजिट अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस, कॉस के लिए एडजेसेंट अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस, देन tan इज इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट एडजेसेंट, कॉट के लिए एडजेसेंट अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस। ये हमको सबकी वैल्यू याद में रखनी है क्योंकि ये सम सॉल्व करते वक्त हमको बहुत काम आने वाली है। नाउ हियर tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ डिवाइडेड बाय एडजेसेंट, मींस ऑपोजिट साइड डिवाइडेड बाय एडजेसेंट, AB डिवाइडेड बाय BC, AB डिवाइडेड बाय BC। देन cot थीटा इज इक्वल टू एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन ऑपोजिट साइड, मींस adjacent and opposite. So BC divided by AC, BC and AB, BC and AB. Then sec theta hypotenuse divided by adjacent, hypotenuse adjacent, AC divided by BC, AC divided by BC, and sec theta hypotenuse opposite, hypotenuse and opposite means AC divided by AB, AC divided by AC. Here sin theta and cos theta are same because of in this ratio sin theta and this cos theta, देखो ये opposite upon hypotenuse है, so cos theta hypotenuse divided by opposite side, and cos theta and sec theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, so hypotenuse upon adjacent, and tan theta and cot theta opposite upon adjacent, तो adjacent upon opposite. ऐसे हमको ध्यान में रखना है. So easy to understand. Now trigonometric ratio in a journal. In this, draw a standard unit circle, that is a circle of a radius 1 unit and center at a origin. Radius value is 1 unit and center at origin. Let the circle with center O, means let the center O cuts x-axis at A10, rotate OA around O reaching OP, forming an angle theta. Then LOP R is equal to 1, means this here O is the center of circle and OA, O to A cut off x axis. This is the inner x axis. Then A is a 1 0, means radius is 1, means here x and y, so x is 1 and y is 0, so r is 1, x is 1 means radius are 1, and OA around OA reaching O to P, means here O to P forming this angle A to P, means make this angle, okay, this ये एंगल बनाता है. This is in the anti-clockwise direction. So length of OP, length of O to P, So this is also radius because of these are a circle and this is a radius. So length of OP is equal to R is equal to 1. We define trigonometric ratio as follow. Sin theta is equal to YR, Y divided by R, means here sin theta. So these are an angle and sin theta Y, this Y and this R. So this is a 90 degree. Here 90 degree means this is the hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Make this angle. So sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse Y by R, means Y divided by R. We using that formula. Now we are studying opposite upon hypotenuse. This is because of this 90 degree means right angle triangle. These are a hypotenuse and this is opposite side, Y by R. Now cos theta X by R. X is this value means adjacent side upon hypotenuse, X by R, and tan is opposite upon adjacent, Y by X. And here X is not equal to 0. Always X is not equal to 0. Now put Pxy is equal to R cos theta, R sin theta. But R is a length given, R is equal to 1. So Pxy is equal to cos theta sin theta. So value of X is a cos theta and value of Y is a sin theta. Now sin of a trigonometric ratio. Now भी sin का trigonometric ratio हम अभी study करेंगे. In this diagram there are 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. हम इसको quadrant बोलेंगे. ग्राफ का हम 4 पार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट दिस पार्ट फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड पार्ट थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट एंड फोर्थ पार्ट फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. हम उसको भी एक एक बॉक्स को हम नाम देंगे क्वाड्रेंट. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. In the first quadrant, they gives value both plus plus, means x and y both value are plus plus. Here pxy plus cos theta and plus sin theta both are plus. In second quadrant, we get x is a minus and y is a plus. Second quadrant plus minus means x is value plus and y is value x is value negative and y value is positive. Then third quadrant both value are negative, x value negative and y also value negative, so both is a negative. In the fourth quadrant x is a positive and y is a negative. In the fourth quadrant is x is positive and y is negative. First quadrant always both are positive. Above can also remember with the help of a following figure in which only those ratios are shown which are a positive and remaining are negative. So these are always positive. This second quadrant में sin की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव रहेगी and this third quadrant tan is positive and fourth quadrant that is the cos. Here cos is positive. In here angle is, we starting from x axis, so angle is 0, then up to y axis angle is 90, 0, 90, then 180, 270, and we complete one rotation, we get 360 degree. That is the angle. In a short, add sugar to coffee means first quadrant is add all, second quadrant sin, and third quadrant t means tan, and fourth quadrant cos. So A, S, T C means first quadrant all are positive, second quadrant में सिर्फ साइन पॉजिटिव, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में tan पॉजिटिव एंड लास्ट क्वाड्रेंट में cos पॉजिटिव. सो ऐड शुगर टू कॉफी to easy to understand. A means all are positive, S means only sine and its reciprocal cosec is a positive, tan में only tan and reciprocal cot is a positive, and C means only cos and its reciprocal sec is a positive. We know that first में all are positive, second quadrant only sine is positive and both are negative, then third quadrant only tan is positive and these are negative, and fourth quadrant cos is positive means these are positive and both are negative. Now trigonometric ratio values angle. This is our very important. This is very important thing, because of in sum to find sine of theta. So sine theta and theta is equal to 30. So what is the value of sine 30 is 1/2. हमको सब में sin theta and theta is equal to 30 दिया होगा, means sin theta means sin 30 degree is equal to which means half. sin 30 is equal to half. हमको ये वैल्यू चाहिए, इसलिए ये पूरा का पूरा हमको बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा. कभी कभी ऐसे भी पूछेंगे कि tan theta is equal to 180 means tan 180 means value is 0. Now here sin 0 sin 30 1/2 sin 1 by 45 degree 1/√2 sin 60 √3/2 sin 91 sin 180 0. So same here, cos is 1 0 value is 1, then cos 30 degree value is 3/√2, then cos of 45 degree 1/√2, cos of 60 degree 1/2, cos of 90 degree 0, cos of 180 degree -1, then cot of 0 value is 0, cot of 30 is equal to 1/√2, cos of 45 1, cos of 60 √3 and cos of 90 infinity means हमको वैल्यू मालूम नहीं, वो इन्फिनिटी तक है, एंड tan of 180 is 0. Now cot of 0 is 1, cot of 30 is √3, cot of 45 is 1, cot of 60 is 1/√2, cot of 90 is 0 and cot of 180 is infinity. Same sec is 0 is 1, sec 30 1/√2, sec 45 √2, sec 60 2, sec 90 infinity and sec 180 is -1. Same here, cos 0 infinity, cosec 30 2, cosec 45 √2, cosec 60 2 divided by √3 and cosec 90 1 and cosec 180 is infinity. This is a very important. Now important formula, these are also used in sums. We giving sin minus theta means sin minus theta also write minus sin theta, and cos minus theta is equal to only plus cos theta, not take a minus cos theta, we take cos theta. Then tan minus theta we write minus tan theta, and cot minus theta we also write minus cot theta, sec minus theta plus sec theta, and cosec minus theta we write minus cot theta. These are also formula. Then again sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we use in a unit 1. So we can also write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Then here 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. We can also write sec square theta plus minus tan square theta, because of here plus going this side minus is equal to 1. We can also write sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. And last one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. We also write cos square theta minus cot square theta plus is equal to 1. Cos square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. ये वैल्यू कैसे आती है, मीन्स साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, इसकी वैल्यू 1 कैसी आई, ये हम लास्ट लेक्चर में स्टडी करेंगे. नाउ टू हियर स्टॉप. सो दिस वैल्यू इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यू आर स्टडी very hard.